This is News 14 Carolina, Meteorologist Matthew East, and you've clicked onto this Friday edition of the Carolina weather video here for the 27th day of February. And boy, do we have a lot to talk about. Let's start off with the radar this morning, a little before 6 o'clock this morning. We have some pretty mean thunderstorms moving through Kentucky and Tennessee. Severe thunderstorm warnings have been issued. That's all those blue dots you see there in Kentucky and Tennessee. Also a severe thunderstorm watch for central Tennessee. And the North Carolina mountains could see some severe weather out of this, but I don't think that severe weather threat is especially great once you get over the mountains and down into the Piedmont. Now that activity is along a cold front. That cold front moving right into the eastern part of the country today. The second feature of note is a strong upper level disturbance back in the Rockies. That's going to dive down toward the lower Mississippi Valley and really strengthen as it moves through the deep south and off of the Carolina coast. And that's going to cause some very interesting weather here over the weekend. The models are actually getting into remarkably good agreement this morning. This is a look at the 0Z European run from today, and there's actually very, very good agreement between the European and the NAM, and really most of the other modeling, even the GFS coming in line with the track of this 500 millibar low pressure area with the 6Z run. All right, so this is the European, 7 p.m. Sunday evening. That is the NAM, 7 p.m. Sunday evening. Very, very good agreement between those two models. This is the Canadian, a touch farther southward, but still in the same general ballpark. And that's the UK Met. It, like the GFS, is a little quicker and a little more open with the 500 millibar low, but still, again, in the same neighborhood with this. So back to the European then. This is 7 p.m. Monday. That's the NAM, 7 p.m. Monday. So again, notice pretty good agreement there between those two models. So with that in mind, I'm going to show you the NAM output from the 6Z run. First of all, this afternoon, this is 1 o'clock this afternoon. This is 7 o'clock. I'm sorry, this is 1 o'clock this afternoon. The next panel I have is tomorrow. I didn't put the 7 o'clock panel in, but you have this band of showers and thunderstorms approaching from the west, and we will see showers spreading into the Piedmont this afternoon and this evening. A few rumbles of thunder possible. I don't think severe weather is a big problem due to low levels of instability. Then tomorrow, that next area of low pressure developing in northern Alabama is that very strong upper level low I mentioned is diving down toward the lower Mississippi Valley. And we have heavy rain by 1 o'clock spreading into the western Carolinas. It settles into the Piedmont and the upstate as we go through tomorrow afternoon. So it looks like it's still a heavy soaking rain event tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening before the rain lessens a little bit as we get late Saturday night into Sunday morning. All right, here you go. This is 7 a.m. Sunday. This is 1 p.m. Sunday. And at that point, that is snow in Alabama, North Georgia, eastern Tennessee, and into the mountains of North Carolina. By 7 p.m., taken verbatim, that's heavy, heavy snow in North Georgia and the upstate spreading into western Carolina. Heavy snow probably occurring in the northwest Piedmont by that point in time as well. And notice what happens. All right, this is 7 p.m. Sunday, 1 a.m. Monday. Band of heavy snow in the mountains in the western Piedmont. This is 7 a.m. on Monday. That's still snow across much of the state of North Carolina by that point in time. And finally, by 1 p.m., the snow tapers off. So, a couple things. First of all, heavy rain threat. That's certainly with us. As we go through tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening, it still looks like a good soaking rain. And then the snow potential. And I am getting more and more confident that we're going to see a good snow event around the Carolinas. A late Sunday, especially Sunday night into Monday morning. Some spots will see probably a 12-hour period of heavy snow, assuming the current modeling trends hold. And this has the makings of the biggest snowstorm the Carolinas have seen since February of 2004. That's how it looks now. That could change, but I'm getting more and more confident that a significant accumulating snowstorm is going to occur for much of the Carolinas. Now, there'll be a sweet spot that probably sees the heaviest accumulations. There'll probably be some disappointed folks as well, but generally speaking, here from 2.5, 3 days out, this looks like it has the makings of a significant snowstorm for the Carolinas. So we'll keep watching that very, very closely for you. All right, that's it for this latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everyone have a wonderful weekend. Well, of course, I'll keep the blog updated with fresh ideas as the weekend unfolds, and We'll keep you up to date completely, as always, on News 14 Carolina on television. Everyone have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.